Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC300 4Matic. The 4Matic means it has Mercedes proprietary four-wheel drive system or all-wheel drive system. Rear-wheel drive is standard, 4Matic all-wheel drive is optional, and obviously in our neck of the woods in the Pacific Northwest, a lot of people like to opt for the all-wheel drive due to our wet, slippery climate. And if you do drive in those mountain passes, we do get quite a bit of snow. This one is looks like it's a one-owner vehicle. On the Carfax report, it only looks like there's one owner on there. It's also a clean Carfax vehicle from sunny California. We do have a complimentary complimentary copy. We also have a copy of the original build sheet. This one was $47,825 when it was brand new. Has a nice assortment of features. It has the Panamera roof. That is a $1,500 option package, giving you these two glass roof panels. The one here opens, and you do also have a power sunshade to dim things down if it gets too bright. The illuminated star in the front, so that beautiful Mercedes-Benz star, that illuminates, looks super cool at nighttime. That was a $500 option. Heated front seats, $580 option. Looks like it has a black fabric headliner, no cost option. And then the premium package, that was a $1,350 option. Smartphone integration package, looks like that gives you Apple CarPlay. I believe it also includes Android Auto. That was a $350 option. And then we have the MB Tex dashboard and upper door sills. So the MB Tex is Mercedes-Benz synthetic leather. And they do an awesome job with their synthetic leather. So much so that I think it almost makes the real leather, superfluous. It doesn't make much sense to get the upgraded leather. The synthetic leather feels so convincing. And I've seen many Mercedes with that synthetic leather with 150, 200,000 miles. It really holds up well. I think it actually holds up a lot better than real leather. And if you do care about animals, I mean, I guess we all do, but if you do care a little bit more than some other people, then you don't have to worry about sacrificing any cows for your vanity with the synthetic leather. You also have this beautiful open pore wood trim throughout. That synthetic leather in the dashboard of the stitching, that wood trim and synthetic leather on the doors. This one, as we mentioned, has heated seats, power front seats, dual zone auto climate control. You have this huge information display center, infotainment system. You can also call it that. Kind of reminds me of a big iPad. Rear parking camera. Automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener. Steering wheel paddle shifters, electronic parking brake. You have a drive mode selector here. That will make changes to steering, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity. And this has really low miles, only 14,000 miles, 14,474 to be exact. So if you're looking for a nice pre-owned Mercedes-Benz GLC, this is a great one to consider. Most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year, so a lot of these would have over 20,000 miles. Really nice color combination as well, in black on black. These small crossovers are one of the hottest market segments right now, and the luxury end of things is very, very competitive. So if anyone wants to play in this small luxury crossover segment, you need to bring your A game, and I think Mercedes-Benz definitely has. I was reading an Edmunds review of this GLC before I did this video, just to kind of brush up on my product knowledge, and they had a lot of great things to say. Actually, it was one of their top picks in this class of vehicles for very good reason. Nice spacious interior. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and I have plenty of leg room, headroom, shoulder room back here. Very comfortable vehicle considering its size. Then we have more open pore wood and synthetic leather back here as well. Decent amount of cargo space back here. You can use this button here to fold down those seats. Cargo net still in the plastic. Have a little bit extra storage under there as well. Power lift gate. Really is a handsome looking vehicle. Engine wise, we see a very familiar power plant we see in Mercedes-Benz products. This 2-liter turbocharged engine is kind of like the workhorse engine for Mercedes, which you can find it in the GLA, CLA, the C-Class, this GLC. They use it in a lot of their vehicles. It's a very fuel efficient engine, matched to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Yeah, 9 forward gears. Those 9 forward gears will help maximize performance and efficiency, capable of up to 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Not too bad for a vehicle this size. And it also has a decent amount of horsepower, 240 horsepower. Not a heavy vehicle, so you have excellent performance and acceleration, and those 9 speeds definitely help the acceleration and performance as well. If you happen to be an out-of-state customer and really like this GLC, we have a big pre-owned business. We sell vehicles out of state on a monthly basis. We can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. We do it all the time. Contact us for a shipping quote. We can even help you get the vehicle registered and licensed in your home state. And as far as sales tax goes, just as long as you don't have a residence here in Washington as well, you're generally going to pay sales tax on where you live, if applicable. And again, contact us for more details about that. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.